Imagine this, you're riding your bike, and everything feels completely normal. But inside your engine, a dangerous problem may have already started. Your engine oil is slowly getting lower, and if you don't notice it in time, that low oil level could eventually cause serious engine damage and potentially leave you with a repair bill costing thousands of dollars. But what exactly happens inside the engine? Let's zoom in and find out. Inside your engine, a lot of metal parts are moving extremely fast. The piston moves up and down, the crankshaft spins, and the connecting rod moves continuously. Now think about this. What happens when two metal surfaces keep rubbing against each other without enough lubrication, friction, heat, and wear? That's where engine oil comes in. The oil creates a protective layer between these moving parts, helping reduce friction and wear. So engine oil isn't just some liquid inside your engine. It's basically protection for some of the engine's most important components. Now imagine the oil level drops way below where it should be. Some of those moving parts may no longer get enough lubrication. Friction starts increasing, and when friction increases, heat increases too. As the temperature rises, the engine components can experience more stress and wear. And here's the scary part from the outside. Your bike might still look completely normal. It might even start and run. But inside the engine, the damage could be quietly getting worse. Now let's look at the worst-case scenario. If lubrication becomes extremely low and you keep riding the bike like that, excessive friction and heat can cause serious damage to the engine components.